Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one step solution for all your placement needs. So friends, we are starting with the Python session, and in our today's session I am going to discuss everything you should know about Python, how Python is going to help you in your placement, and some basic program. So friends, if you really like this Python session, then please leave a comment in the comment box so that it will help me to continue this Python session, which is a important tool for your placement. So friends, what are you going to learn today? So friends, fun with Python. So our session name will be fun with Python. So friends, what we are going to learn today is why Python. Friends, why Python is required when you have so many other languages, how it is going to help you in your placement. Okay, so how it is going to help in placement. And friends, Python is easy or difficult language, and a overall idea of Python simplicity. So friends, today I will be telling you about many data types and the basic programs which will give you a idea of how your Python is going to be, how your Python using Python, how you are going to write and simplify the complicated programs. And friends, some basic programs also I will run so that you will be getting a clear picture of what we are going to do with Python and how it is going to help you in your placement. And friends, at the end of the class, you will start loving Python. That is my guarantee to you. So friends, let us start with the session fun with Python. So friends, the first question comes, what is Python? Python kya hai? Friends, many people knows Python is a snake. But friends, Python is a general purpose high level programming language. So friends, what is the meaning of high level programming language? What is the meaning of low level programming language? That we will understand. So friends, high level programming language ka matlab hai. So the meaning of high level programming language means, friends, human readable. You will be easily able to read what you are writing in the program. So you will be easily able to read the program. Friends, so you can see print online study for you. So friends, print online study for you. Now this is very much human readable format. So you are able to read that it is going to print online study for you. Friends, this we can see in the pie chart as well. Okay, so this is our pie chart. So friends, welcome to online study for you or print online study for you. Friends, whatever you want, you can print it. So if you'll execute it, friends, so here in the console you'll be getting the output. So welcome to online study for you or online study for you. So friends, you can also mention welcome to online study for you, and then you can run it. So friends, you'll be getting welcome to online study for you. So friends, it is a human readable format, right friends? So friends, you are easily able to write, you are easily able to see what is written in the program. So आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है कि ये प्रोग्राम में क्या लिखा हुआ है और ये क्या एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. So this is called as high level programming language. So friends, other high level programming language are Java, C, C++. Friends, low level language, if we will talk about, then you'll be knowing in assembly language, right? Assembly language. So low level language means, friends, only machine will be able to understand this. Only machine will be able to understand this. It will be not be in the human readable format. So human इसको ठीक से नहीं समझ सकता है. So ये जो numerics and other things we use in the low level language, which is only understood by machine. But friends, your high level programming language will be understood by the human clearly, that this program is going to print online study for you. So other high level language is nothing but Java, C, C++. So friends, this high level language we are able to understand. So if machine want to understand, so for converting it in the machine level language, we use interpreter, compiler, etc. Because friends, this we are able to understand, but how machine will understand? For that only, friends, we are using the interpreter. So you might have seen the Python interpreter we were using when we were setting up the environment. Okay, now friends, easiest programming language among the all other language. Friends, is it easy or not? Now in C program, if I will ask you to print one statement, then friends, you can see, so you'll be writing include stdio.h. So minimum requirement, so include stdio.h and then int main and then printf hello world, or friends, you can say hello online study for you. Welcome to online study for you. So this is the minimum requirement if you want to write your code in C. If you want to write your code in Java, then this is the minimum code which you have to, this is the minimum lines which you have to code for writing the hello world. But friends, you see in Python, if you want to print hello world, friends, it is just a steps away. Okay, so print hello world, right? Okay, so print and then hello world, so it's a string, so hello world. Now friend, that's all. So what you can do, you can run. So you can see you are easily able to print hello world just in one line. So friends, if I say Python is the easiest प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज अमॉन्ग द ऑल अदर लैंग्वेज, ये कहना गलत नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोग देख रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स सी प्रोग्राम में एंड जावा में एक सिंपल सा हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट करने में कितने लाइन की जरूरत है और कितना कंफ्यूजन है. वी हैव टू डिफाइन, यू सी, वी हैव टू डिफाइन क्लास एंड ऑल इन जावा. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी टफ. And Python, friends, Python is one of the easiest language among all other languages. Friends, the last point is, for learning Python, no need to learn any other programming language. Friends, if anyone says, if you know C, then you will be able to learn Python easily. If you know C++, you can learn Python easily. If you know Java, no friends. So first of all, there is no dependency of any other language. If you are a beginner, you do not have any idea about the programming language Python, then also you will be able to learn, because this is friends, मैं सच बोल रहा हूं. So if you are good at English, you will become good at Python also. It is a very simple language. Okay friends, we will write some basic program today, and then you will feel Python is really one of the easiest language. And friends, it is mostly used in the today's trending technology. Friends, if we'll talk about machine learning, if we'll talk about data analysis, friends, everywhere nowadays Python is getting used for automation purpose. Python, so friends, Python is a very important language and a very easy language. These two things you have to keep in mind. Next friends, so Python, now friends, so this information is for you, so this you can have in your mind. This will be not be anywhere used in the program, do not worry. So friends, Python was developed by Guido van Rossum, and he is a Dutch programmer in 1989. So friends, Python का जो डेवलपमेंट है उसको गाइडो वैन रोसम ने किया था 1989 में, and he is a Dutch programmer. So this much if information you should be knowing about Python. Now friends, so as I was telling you, to print hello world in C language, you need this many lines. Okay, you can remove 1 or 2 lines from here friends, but still you need 3-4 lines. To same thing to write in Java, you need to define a class and all. But friends, the same thing in Python, just one line. Print whatever you wanted to print, you print. Print welcome to online study for you. Print hello world. Print Python is easy. So friends, whatever you want you can write. Print Python is a easy programming language. Python जो है एक बहुत ही easy programming language है. That's all done. That's all done friends. Now you run, the output will be here. Python is a easy programming language. So friends, you can see the complexity in other languages. अब तो Python सीखना बहुत आसान हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जब आप comparison करते हैं, when you compare the same thing with other programming language, you will come to know that Python is the easiest. Python से easy और कोई language नहीं है. Even though friends, you know C, C++ and Java, it does not matter. Friends, you will be easily able to learn the Python language. Okay, now friends, so the next thing, friends, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, if I ask you to write a program, friends, this kind of program will be, they will be mainly asking in the interviews, or you will remember it when you are in college days. Do not forget friends, write a program to add 2 numbers. Friends, when I was in college, I used to remember, many people used to remember. So write a program to add 2 numbers. Okay, and now friends, we used to write the program in C and the other languages. And friends, if somebody is there from other background, mechanical, electrical, for everyone Python is very easy. Now friends, if I have to write the same program in Python, friends, it is very easy. I will tell you how it is very easy. So now, so let us write here. Friends, A, I will assign 10. Friends, you remember when you are writing the same program in C, then you will define int a is equals to 10. But friends, in Python, you do not have to specify the data type specifically. So Python में आपको data type specifically mention नहीं करना है, आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है. A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 30. Two numbers I assign, A and B value I assigned 10 and 30. Now friends, what I will do, I will print. So print, okay. Now friends, print sum of two number is, this is what friend, this is my string, sum of two number is, okay, sum of two number is, and friends here I will add A plus B. That's all, done, nothing else has to be done. One line, A I assigned 10, A का value 10 रख दिया, B का value 30 रख दिया, print sum of two number is A plus B. 10 plus 3 will be 30, and now you can see your output here. Sum of two number is 40. Friends, you only see. So when I have to write the sum of two numbers, I just need basically, see, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and then you can print it. Now friends, you can ask me, sir, in C program and the other language, we define the types, okay? So if it is integer, float, or friends boolean, but here we are not defining it, sir. So friends, basically here what will happen, so according to the value, whatever value you will pass, 10 is what? 10 is nothing but friends, integer. So it will, A will be nothing but A integer. So write print, okay? So friends, what I will do, I will print the type of A. Okay friends, and now see what will be your output. So okay, so friends, you can see the type of A is integer. When I assigned the value 10 to A, मतलब A को क्या है, एक इंटीजर मिल गया. अब A का टाइप क्या होगा, इंटीजर होगा. You do not have to mention specifically. Now friends, what I will do, I will assign 10.052. So friends, now if I will print the same thing, here, you can see, if I'll print the same thing here, now friends, you can see the value of A is what, 10.052. Now I have assigned a float value, so the type of A will change now. Now friends, you can see, so now the type of A is what? Now the type of A is float. Friends, very simple. So in Python, you do not have to think anything about the types. It will be automatically assigned. Now friends, you will be knowing about boolean values. A is equals to true. Now I have assigned a boolean value to A. Friends, now automatically you do not have to specifically put the type, वो ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा, उसका टेंशन आपको नहीं है, आप बस इंग्लिश पे ध्यान दीजिए. सो यू हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन द इंग्लिश. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, इफ आई विल पुट हियर प्रिंट टाइप ऑफ ए, so you can see one more output will be added, that is nothing but boolean. So class is equals to nothing but bool. So friends, when you will assign the value, automatically the type will be defined. So friends, this is the simplicity level of Python. Friends, everything I will go into very much deep, but today what I am telling you, आपको ये समझना है कि पाइथन कितना आसान है. इससे भी आसान कोई प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज हो सकता है क्या, मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूं. और फ्रेंड्स, आप टेंशन मत लीजिए, पाइथन को मैं इतने इजी वे में पढ़ाऊंगा, एक एक चीज कहां से आ रहा है, क्यों आ रहा है, एवरीथिंग विल बिकम वेरी वेरी इजी. वो आप मेरे पे छोड़ दीजिए, यू जस्ट अटेंड द क्लासेस. एंड अगर आपको क्लासेस अच्छा लगता है तो एक कमेंट जरूर करें, ताकि वो हमारे लिए मोटिवेशन होता है. वी विल गेट मोटिवेटेड एंड वी विल कम अप विथ different types of videos. Okay friends, do not worry. Now, so friends, that is the same example I have given it here, so you can also see. So sum in Python, okay, no need to specify the type of A and B. It is dynamically type programming language. So friends, when you assign the values, automatically the type will be defined. Okay, so friends, I hope it will be clear. Any doubt, comment section will be always open for you guys. Then friends, now friends, in other languages, if I will ask you to assign a value of A, B, C, D, E, okay, then friends, you can only think how much complicated it will be, But friends, in Python friends, it will be very very easy. I will show you friends. So I'll remove everything here. Okay, now, so friends, A B, C, D, E. I'm going to assign the value. In one line I can do it. 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now I will print everything. So print A comma B comma C comma D comma E. Friends, that's all. One line assignment and other line print statement. And now you will be able to see the value of A, B, C, D, E is already assigned. Friends, that is the reason I am telling Python is one of the very easy and important language. Friends, do not think Python is a complicated language. So I cannot think of any simpler language than the Python language. Okay. So friends, you can see how easily we are able to define it. Friends, now you can see. So if you want to print 1 to 10 in Python, if you want to print 1 to 10 in Python, okay, or 1 to 100 in Python, then friends, what you will do? So friends, we will be using a very simple function. So friends, for I in range is a function. Friends, you can see here. So range is a function. For I in range, if you want to print 1 to 10, right, 1 to 10, so we will be giving range from 1 to 11. All those things, friends, I will define. I will dig later on why 1 to 11 and other things. Today we are just seeing how easily we can really do everything. Now print I. Okay, so friends, if we print I, it will print from 1 to 10. So friends, you can see the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Friends, the syntax we need to be little careful. So in Python, if it is a if for loop, then friends, we need to end with semicolon. Friends, we will discuss all those things. Right now, we do not think about that. Today, you are only going to learn that Python is easy and how easy it is, that we are understanding from the basic program. So we are making the things very, very easy for you today. Okay, so today you do not think you are going to learn Python. Today only you think what is Python, how easy is the Python, how easily it can simplify the complicated programs. And friends, so you are going to have a fun with Python. Now friends, so the next slide, friends. So Python is object oriented, functional and a scripting language. Many people knows, friends, that Python is only a scripting language. But friends, ये जानना गलत है. Python is not only a scripting language. Python ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड भी है, मतलब इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स रहते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर डेटा रहते हैं. ये फंक्शनल लैंग्वेज भी है जो सी से डराइव हुआ है, और ये स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज भी है जो सेल एंड पर्ल स्क्रिप्ट से डराइव हुआ है. मतलब फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं कि पाइथन जो है, पाइथन में तीनों ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, फंक्शनल, स्क्रिप्टिंग, मॉड्यूलर, सो फ्रेंड्स सभी लैंग्वेजेस का क्या है, ये एक मिक्सचर काइंड ऑफ थिंग है. सो फ्रेंड्स, जो पाइथन के पास जो सिंटैक्स वगैरह है, वो मैक्सिमम सिंटैक्स जो है वो सी से लिया गया है. द मोस्ट ऑफ द सिंटैक्स इन पाइथन हैज बीन डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द सी प्रोग्राम. सो फंक्शनल लैंग्वेज इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द सी प्रोग्राम. ओके, देन oops concept. So oops concept has been derived from C++. Scripting language features derived from Shell and Perl script. So friends, this information is very, very required for you, because in interview they can ask you Python is what? A object oriented, functional and scripting. So you can say yes, Python is having all the object oriented, functional, scripting and even the modular programming language also. Okay, so friends, you can see Python is very much robust, very much easy. It has all the features of object oriented, functional and scripting, and then also it is very, very easy, friends. Friends, if you want to define the functions, that is also very easy here, friends. Okay, so what we are doing, so we are defining a function, a student here, and then we are printing and calling it. So friends, so def, okay, def, so a student, okay, and then friends, you have to give a colon here, and then print. So print, you all are my favorite student. You all are my favorite student. Okay, now friends, and then call the function. So student, okay, now just print it. very simple program, friends, I am doing today. So this program is having very basic program, friends, and this much if you know, then also, friends, it is more than sufficient for you as a fresher to crack the interviews. Okay, now, so friends, if you will run this, then okay, so it is hanged. Okay, now let me run it. So now, friends, you can see you all are my favorite student. So friends, even you can see, friends, the function is also defining the function is also very easy in Python. Friends, everything here is 1 or 2 line. Everything here is, friends, 1 or 2 line, not more than that. Okay, so friends, all this information, whatever you are learning today, is very important, friends. So next thing is again in fun with Python. So friends, one thing what I wanted to tell you is Python is, okay, so friends, Python is very important and easy language. And friends, nowadays whatever your trending the technologies are there, whatever your the upcoming technologies are there and which are already in trend are using Python. Okay, are using Python. So friends, data analysis, your machine learning, everything, friends, needs your Python to automate. So friends, what you can do with Python, so what you can achieve with Python, so that we will discuss, and what are the application, very famous application, those which are already using Python. So friends, if you want to develop desktop GUI application, then you can go with Python. If you want to develop website and the web application, then also you can go with Python. Friends, for the data analysis, for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things, so all those are the trending technologies. So friends, this needs Python. So friends, that is the reason nowadays companies are looking for the student who have a knowledge of Python. Maybe not very deep knowledge, but a basic knowledge of Python is very required. And friends, so you might be knowing about the famous applications YouTube, Google, Dropbox. So friends, all these very famous applications uses Python. Okay, all these very famous applications uses Python. So friends, many of you might not have an idea of what is Python, how should we learn, how do we write the very complicated program in a very simpler way. So friends, today I have given you an idea. And friends, so at the end of this video, you will be also able to see how the environment and the setup will be there to run the program. The same thing, friends, the same software you can download from the link given in the description, and you can practice the simple program. So friends, you can print anything. Okay, so friends, in the next session I'll be telling you lot more things. Okay, I'll be telling you lot more things like about the data type strings. Okay, then friends, how to print out the numbers, how to cut the string, how to the indexing. So all those things we will be able to learn in the next video. Step by step I will be going. Friends, if you really like the video and if you have understood what is Python, how it will be utilized, friends, do like, share and comment on the videos. This will definitely motivate me, and I will be waiting for your response to make the another video on Python. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot. So friends, we will be discussing everything which is required for the Python, how to set up the environment, which all softwares are required to run the program. आज हम लोग उन चीजों को देखेंगे. So today we will be knowing how to set up and how to run your very basic program. So friends, let us start with that. So friends, all the link will be provided in the description. So what you have to do is you have to download the latest version of Python, which is nothing but 3.8.3, which is available. So friends, from here you can download. So I have already downloaded it here. Friends, Python 2. And Python 3. There are a lot of differences are there. So you should and must go for the latest one. Okay. So एक बार जब आप इसको डाउनलोड कर लेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग इंस्टॉल भी करेंगे. But wait, one more software is required, which is nothing but PyCharm. So friends, PyCharm is a very handy software which I can say So here you can easily copy paste the program, you can easily run. So friends, you will come to know when we will write our first basic program. So friends, what you have to do is you have to download the community version. Okay, so community for pure Python development. So friends, here you have to click, and this is also the latest one. The link will be again provided in the description. Friends, once you download, then we need to install that. So friends, okay, now friends, here we have the downloaded Python and the PyCharm. So friends, one by one we need to install it. So friends, this is how we have to make your Python and PyCharm installed on your system. So install now. Okay, so it will take very less time. Now friends, here you can see the setup was successful. So now you can close it. So your Python 3.8.3 is already installed. Now close it. Now friends, so we are going to install PyCharm. So let's click on that. So this is the exe file. Then now click on run, and then friends, we need to wait. Okay, and then PyCharm. Okay, yes, click on yes. Then welcome to PyCharm community edition setup. Now next. Okay, so the path also keep it like that. 64-bit launcher, add open folder as project .py. Okay, so add everything. Next. Jet. Okay, so again you have to click on install, and now friends, it will take some time to install it. After that, you need to do certain settings to run your programs. The setup is going to complete now. Okay, so now you can click on finish. Okay, so don't reboot it now. I want to manually reboot later. Now finish it off. Now friends, so you can open PyCharm now. It is already installed. You can see PyCharm community edition. So now once you'll open, okay, so PyCharm community. Now friends, after the successful installation and configuration, your window will look like that. Okay, your PyCharm will look like this. Now friends, so after the successful installation and configuration, your PyCharm will look like that. So friends, here you can see Python console. So friends, all your outputs will be written here. Okay, and then friends, all your output will be displayed here. And friends, we have to create one new file. So go to file and then new project, and friends, you can create a folder, suppose name Pratik. Okay, and friends, from here this interpreter. So friends, Python will interpret whatever we will be writing in the English text. Friends, here you are writing print welcome to online study for you. Now friends, this is in human readable format, and this has to be communicated to the machine. So for that friends, we need the interpreter or compiler, right? So friends, what we have to do, we have to select the interpreter, means the Python which you have installed 3.8.3, or friends, I had two Pythons installed here, like two version of Python installed here, 3.7 and 3.8. So I have selected 3.7 here. You can select from here, you can browse it and then you can select it. Okay friends, and then you can create a folder. Already I have created a folder, learn Python. And then friends, inside that if you'll go, then we need to create one py file. So right click here, okay, and then new, and then Python file. So you can create whatever name you want to give, abc.py. Okay, so you can create one Python file here. Okay friends, now this Python file will get added here, and then you can start writing your program. So friends, you can see app.py. So print welcome to online study for you. Now friends, if you'll run, you save it, and then if you'll run, the output will be displayed here, welcome to online study for you. So friends, this is how you will be doing the setup and the environment to run the Python program. So friends, if you have any doubt with respect to the setup and the environment, please do leave one comment in the comment box. Friends, the many other configurations I was not able to show you because it was already installed on my system. I mean, the py files were already existing. I had not deleted it before. So friends, I hope you would have understood. So whatever the configurations are there, that also I have showed you. So friends, any doubt, please leave a comment in the comment box.